Etie from some for money about Mr. Hygiene, Mediane Mr. Hygiene. Maybe you be share your friend Mr. Hygiene. Na meji was so dia mitre any a fee. Nia min penny say ye bofi hu dewro anopa awia enyomre. Na why you would disable fruits na wuntie eno pe ena mitre. Na rechi de yen konkwa. Mr. Producer, fa intro no wom. Welcome back on our show, you and I, our show, Mr. Hygiene, the talk of the town. For ene masamba. Someone when him said the ayakono no. A few some kwa ene de bia me ba me de ebremo. Nene me pese ye hwe se aso on my Ghana. Emre bi wo mu a ehwe se efi ene ahonidie mapa. Ebe koso ewo ye mpotem ewo ye nkromu ewo ye fiefie mu aso bibisa ewo ho ana so ti ase ntirende ye hia ye bebedi enkomo mesrew eyana because unim say Mr. Hygiene me dogana sa na wonso wo dogana okonfo bone e na wo say ekrombo na ni wi afise krobo a wono nso so wotimi bi na isanse me ne umi enu yempese omanga na ebebo enti na me de me hu asi ho se me yese adwuma we a me ne wonso a wo fi a wo hwe me no wutie me no me ne ho eye enti no share our videos so share our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Na afen so no won potem baby a wote no unim se efi wo ho so efi de wo baby aga na de enim se efi wo baby a leave your comment, let's chat, let's talk about it so aha unim se every serious country ruled by laws and policies. Oman bia ebetumi akwanim ewo impontu efa ne mamafo ho timamufo ho no na saa oman no embra ene nhyehyeye edi dwuma anase edi akoten ewo mo dada abrabo mo ana meboa yes even wufie kura wote se embra wo ho papa mami wahyehyɛ mbra ma wo mba dase so oman bia embra ene nhyehyɛ enye adwuma no sa oman no enko babia na me gidi sɛ Ghana eka oman a embra ene nhyehyɛ enye adwuma na bibia ye de ye ho to nyame bɛkyerɛ me bisa wo onyankopɔn otiga mu we asebisa onyankopɔn ododo ye fikyire maye onyonkopon ono ena sebe yendware a obedware ya na no enchese se embra ene nhyehyeye bi enye adwuma so oti ase se de be ya Ghana ebeye fe eno tira Mr. Hygiene me dosukọ me konu ase na maba na ye bebedi inkita ho so oti ase yes na de enti ameka embra ene nhyehyeye no ene se oman bia no yewo nhyehyeye a esese ediso na Ghana no yewo local government ministry and rural ministry some ministry we ena omusi omampeni ministers bebre wo ho ministries bebre wo ho but this particular ministry no omudwumedi omudi no omohye omampeni anemu ewo wukrom ewo wufie enti no wufie omampeni wo ho wumpotem omampeni wo ho so tiase because wo assemblyman ewo wo area baby a woti bi assemblyman na assemblyman de omo nenam baby a utumi kwa akọ ne ho ne ne kobon komo ono na oye omampeni wo wo area so tiase aha enti local government ministry no omundwumedi omudi no edoso ba meme yes sanitation advocate into no mehwe omo a omo hwe sanitation so ewo ministry of local government and a district assemblies no omudwumedi a omudi so what you say in 1999 ne ye wo minister of local government and rural development 1999 your friend no Mr. Kwame Ahwai some can Ahwai na what you say Ahwai brothers no Kwame na Ahoy, Ato Ahoy, omo ye NDC gurus. Share ubom din pa na NDC yeah. So okay, NDC for lose election 2016. No mo set committee Ahoy for no mo da no. No mo koye sa report no mo de bae. Me kai wo nya say me ye politics. Me kai wo say de be ya obehu nipa me boni din no. 1999 na Mr. Kwame na Ahoy oye minister our local government and rural development. And na omo ye enkrata bi e de to ho. So I say sanitation, environmental sanitation policy bylaws as I say ye diso na ye hwe say ye potem be bia be ye clean. So I say ano omo ye nkrata de to ho se de be ya ye be hwe sankrata no so ne ye bu ye potem amamre no se de be ya bibia be ye clean. Na sakrata we since 1999 efe bi eye adwuma o se Ghana de emra na ye wo no emra no enye se enye adwuma emra no be bi ye adwuma be bi nso so enye adwuma be bi ye adwuma be bi nso so enye adwuma ye wo de achie sikafo ye wo de achie nyafo ye wo de agye sikafo ye wo mu bebre sa na ye ba sanitation hana Mr. Kwame na Ahoy oni ni team 1999 May they presented this document to cabinet to the parliament. They approved say emeye embra ebehwe say ahunidie mapa ebekoso ewo Ghana na me ne wo enyarewa nketinketi ekum ye no asubetwa na samra ne bae. In 2001 this law was reprinted by then ministry na honorable late honorable Kudwo Baredu, yes, Omampeni Kufuor Abreso no the first local government minister eye Kudwo Baredu later obebe finance minister. So I say and omo reprinted sa embra we said ye be ya Ghana ye benya ye fa hodie ewo efimu ebe se ne 2021 ye da so eti efimu enkrata we so ewo ho no. And na Mr. Haji menti as me pese me no ye nkyere ya adwen me pese me ka kyerɛ na wo so dia wonim na wo so atwerɛ na dachi no ye nyina ya bom na ye tu fiase e wo Ghana eno se so ntina meti ha since 1999 Mr. Ahoy presented sa document here omo hwe se ye beyi environmental sanitation department ewo district assemblies ye benya environmental sanitation director environmental education director sankofo ni nyina wo ko district assembly asa edinya mebobo no enye se eni ho ewo honom wo ko district assembly ye wo environmental sanitation officer, environmental health sanitation officers, ye wo directors municipal health, they are all there at the ministry. But question is does it end at the ministry or is supposed to end on the ground? So I say, busumi bia ye tua omaka busumi bia ye tua omaka omo adwuma ne se ebimo adwuma ne se omo bebo dewuro omo be kompotempotem woma church efiefie ekuekuo sadia yebe si edi yehuni afa baby a yemfa enwura enkogu omo ye education and they are at the district assembly to go around and educate people about health and sanitation. Officer oka ho a bibisaw wo ye wadwuma pepepe bibisaw yewo those people who supposed to monitoring activities of waste management companies. No one who say these waste management companies, you know, they are here, they are there. I am asking, are they doing it? Embrawe assign my district assembly to me, say, omobe contracting waste management companies, and normal yejuma, Embrawe mo say they will work in hand with NGOs, some other institutions. So this law is so powerful that when we follow and enforce it, I'm telling you, Ghana will be paradise. Ghana will be evergreen. There will be no baller, can. But somebody is not working. And it's in Mr. Hygiene, may say, fix your attitude. Then Those who are supposed to fix the country must also fix the country. Who to a craft no? Who to a craft a four? Who to a craft for no? No, who to mamma so a four? Who yo cocoa and sa? Now also so who shall one sa? And you know, fix the country, fix the country, fix the country. I'm telling the district assembly that they should fix their work. District assembly. You are under local government. Mona mo ye nkrata we say ye de bebo efi ho ban. So mo gyan mo adwuma no ato ho a me catch them, Mr. Haji, me catch them. Go back to the drawing board and pick and go down the drain, go down to the people. Then you should say Ghana better. Yes, me can be said this document. Ye behwe say emre kakra di anim. Ye be kan enkrata we. Na ya hwe say emra na ewo mu no, nyantimamufo no nso so emre no ebi chichi yana. Nyantimamufo no eni tira Mr. Haji make say wuti se bo fruit because efi dodo na ayeye no nyan nipa na yeti kromo ha no yenso ye fini bi. Eye nyan kwa na ye fi no. Na district assembly no omo ahwe say anka wo ya because efi de wutu mutan ye beye say ye nipa na anopa ye sorry ye ko ye ba ye didi ye nom ne de efi de ye beye abrebia na ye ya baby a esese ye di efi no ebeto baby a esese ye peja efi no ye di kogu baby a esese ye di efi no ye di koto no eno no eye nyan individual ya sede say ye beye sa anyoma no then district assembly a omo ye aban anamusifo a omo wo mpotem no omo nsoso e wo masede a omo beye. So this week we are going to look at responsibilities of the government, responsibilities of agencies, and then the responsibility of ordinary Ghanaian, the citizen. That's what we are going to look at. So what you say? What you say? And you know, on my past citizenry, we have our role to play when it comes to sanitation. Then the government also have their role to play when it comes to sanitation, and we are going to look at it. Back to back, bumper to bumper. Na ya hwe wo wasade ese wo ye ene wo ka se fix the country a they are all be fix the country no ono so se na sade a ese se oye. In this document, article 4 section 1, let me read to you. Article 4 section 1, individual responsibilities. Individual ankro omo sade a ese se omo ye to promote good health and good sanitation. You also have a role to play. Every individual, establishment or institution shall be responsible for Article 4, Section 1, subsection A. Cleansing within and in the immediate environs of the property they occupied. Sabe tafracho. Ye nyina obia ni Ghana osore anopa anase osore anopa oni baabi a wokọ. Na sade sanso so a oni baabi a woda. Ye nyina ye sore anopa ye wo baabi a yekọ. Ade san ye wo baabi a yeda. San de wo the street kura wo baabi a woda. Baabi a woda wo street no wo sore anopa esese wo pra ho. Wo a wuti wo fie wo sore anopa esese wo fie no ho environs. Baby a cow where she no. So plot na ye one plot to say a half plot to baby a plot na no can no. E ho no bi so de anoka. Enti wo esese wo pra wo make sure say wo plot no baby anoka no. We clean ho we say ho gentle. The otu a wo so no so ebeto aso aye ne de. South ya say gata na eda wo fie nanum na papa mami wo pra na wa chichi no wo kohwie aguma na wo de praye no wo pra sa na wo koja last stop na ye gata no mo no. It is your responsibility to make sure that that gutter is clean all the time. Yeah, and the question is Accra, apart from Alajo gata kakraka no eda hwa eno de minji ni say individual yebetimi akosi mu clean mo no, but nya na ye di nwura egu sa gata no mo. So what I say, but every household Gata the anim, gata the anima, road the anim. As a sasa road na eda wo fie n'anim no, your responsibility to make sure the place is clean. Gata no so a choke no, it is your responsibility to make sure and choke kra no we clean him all the time. This is what this law is saying. Until you as an individual, as a good citizen and not spectator, you have a role to play when it comes to sanitation and hygiene. So I say, until no every ne ediko o sorry no pa, make sure you clean your frontage. And until me to check Edema Honorable Henry Korte, the Greater Accra Regional Minister, recently, and Obeka said, Operation Clean Your Frontage about the news. Yes, why are there? Because Krataway, as a minister of Greater Accra, agenda ne say Accra must work again. Accra ain't clean no. Charlie, he has to go into the books and see Mraben and the metumi use on use na adwin. Na obi abeka say no ya isema no o use mbra. Enti mbra ne say Operation Clean Your Frontage. It is here, Article 4. That is individual responsibilities when it comes to environmental sanitation policy. Article 4, Section 1. Individual responsibility. And one of your responsibility is to clean your environment, including the gutter in front of your house. What was store no what kanshi abobrosi kaneshi malata malamata ana malata your friend malata ewo malata. It is your responsibility to clean that your frontage. O store na nim no wo kwa amenko bie store enkwatena store no mu. It is your responsibility to clean that in front of your store and then the gutter in front of your store. So I say yes, churches, mosque, bebia, asor mo organize mo members, no mo clean mo gutter na edam asor na nim, mosque, bebia ye ko bompa ye ho horo ye nsa ho horo ye na ase, bebia nsuo no kogu no agata no emu bon no. It is our responsibility to make sure that gutter is clean. Yes, that is where I also have problem with the district assembly, because Honorable Henry Korte ekopie malata. Then on the street, omo who say efi egu baby na obisa environmental sanitation officer na owo ho no. Yes, be 1 month kra o ma adwuma. Sa na omo ye wo district assembly. Omo mba adwuma. Omo be kese e ya ba adwuma, e ya papa adwuma, e ya o ma me adwuma. Let me tell you, mosquito bia ye opai wa malata no enye malata nkwa na okeka nkofo otumi ko bia and onka MPP for onka this or ko bia bi tumuma yenjai sa ti bonko no wo nanso bada. Let's get to work. Me who say minister no all question the boss. So over here then the boss ni tisabo fruit. Then waba no defend no yare no ayi yenjai sade no na efie kum ni pa Ghana dodo efie kum ye yenjai environmental officer sanitation officer SSL okọ abonten ekọ educating nkofo bosomi mienu odafie omba adwuma odi salary taxpayers money we are paying him. Yeah, ya say dodo. Ya say too much. Yenjai. Me diane Mr. Hygiene. Sa character ye be hwehwom. Because se yendi ye huni a ye be wutoto. Na dia efi eye no coronavirus kra enye coronavirus wonye mu kota. Nipa efi related diseases kumomono corona by since 2 years nipa 1,000 cry. But every year over 250,000 children are dying out of malaria and diarrhea. Why you teachable fruit? What a chibola and wakotua to gatemu. You teachable fruit. Yenja sa concert no. and I would district officer would to office ye wo kaswa ye wo 14 assemblies. Assemblyman maku 14. So we have 14 assemblymen only in Kaswa. Yet a fee atoko Kaswa. Every district and so you were environmental sanitation officer, you were this, you were that. You create an almost office and you tell moka and a fee at dokunye. Mundasa tibo fruit to semno. Namuma yembre. Yes, so in a gimon yet. And now, wow, 2 fears so my catcher, and they wouldn't name the SSO yet. Honorable Henry Cote, Operation Clean Your Frontage will support you. You are good. You are doing work. You are working beyond your political lenses. Yes, you are working for Mother Ghana. Mufani picture and turn and conform and a high five. You are working, Honorable. You are working. All the regional ministers come and learn. And go and implement it in your regions. The MMDCEs and DCEs, my friend, wake up. Wake up. It is not only contract you have to sign. Kaswa District Assembly, they have about 7 waste management companies that they have contracted them. Yes, I have the fact. Yet, Kaswa, a fee edokunye. Opetrak ni bikwa de aye bibia runya. Asoma ye bizarre. And so you think one my friend. It's for Mediana Mr. Hygiene. Echna, you bet to us.